Sidetrack tonight. We have our live Facebook chat with the tenors.
As promised.
As promised. Jovi, how's it going there?
Gusto natin sabihin sa ating mga live na ka-chat ngayon na sige lang ang pag-iwan nyo ng mga mensahe o mga katanungan sa Facebook group ng 10. But before we start our live chat tonight, unahin natin na importanteng balitang ito tungkol sa Facebook security. Nagdesisyon na ang Facebook na muli nilang ibalik ang polisiya nila na ang user ang may-ari ng anumang nilalagay nila sa kanilang Facebook account. Nagdesisyon ang Facebook matapos na makatanggap ng napakaraming reklamo mula sa mga users sa recent claim ng FB that they are granting itself permanent rights to photos, notes, posts, and other information kahit isara na ng isang subscriber ang kanilang account. Pero kahit nga nag-decide sila na muling ibigay ang karapatan sa user, under dispute pa rin ito. So, hinay-hinay lang ating mga ka-tenors sa mga paglalagay ninyo ng kung anuman sa inyong Facebook. Medyo delikado kasi yun eh. Minsan, umalis ka na dyan, yung palang mga iniwan mong mga bagay doon sa wall mo, pag-aari ng
Facebook. Tsaka minsan hindi mo na naman babasahin, ikiklik mo lang yung I agree, diba? And there's also another page that, another link that tells you how you can limit those who view your posts and all those things. So I think every
So dapat
Facebook
maging
user
conscious
should learn
talaga yung mga tenors o yung mga lahat ng kasali sa ating grupo na piliin lang kung sino yung makakakita, lalo na kung ang ibibigay nila medyo personal na talaga na mga post. So anyway, speaking of yung mga mag-iiwan sila ng mga note, dito wala tayong itatapon. Lalo na dito sa mga old natin ng mga post na nabasa itong nakaraang mga araw, umpisahan natin ang mga ilas ang nag-iwan nga ng kanilang mga mensahe. Mula kay Michael Mendez Esguera, ang sabi niya, "Hi, Ten. I always see to it that I could watch your show every night. I'm encouraging my friends here in Davao City to watch your program. It's fantastic. I just would like to comment about Lourdes de Vera's segment about the commemoration of Arts Month. The question that strikes me most when he asked about nakakain ba ang art, well, I think majority of the people, I think, could really appreciate this thing. An ordinary individual perhaps would mean medyo meaningless sa kanila ito. But I think an art is a reflection of reality." Sabi yan ni Michael Mendez Esguera.
Mike, Brian Bagoyado wrote, "You guys do have a unique style of delivering your news. Keep it up.
And,
God bless."
Oh, sorry.
God
sorry.
bless.
GBU. Ray Amante, okay? Wow, you guys rock. Thanks for having an evening news so interesting, informative, and something fresh in Philippine TV. If I have the time, I really make sure to watch your show over the other shows. I was so amazed with the format of your news. It's interactive just like the other international leading news centers. Keep it up, guys. Keep on rocking. You rock here in Metro Davao. Yeah!
Yahoo!
Tama. Ito naman si Michael Armamento mula sa Pilipinas, dito sa Manila. Ang sabi niya, "I was not an avid fan of 10 before. I thought it was similar to other prank news shows sa television, so I did not bother to watch it at all. But when I finally had time to watch it in full, the heck, it was the greatest show ever." Buti ko na hindi masabi yun. Later, I found out that 10's attack on the news is easier to swallow than those that were uptight. I've known Cherry Mercado back when she was at the other station, but loved her more here at TV5.
Hey,
I was
thanks,
watching the other night when you had a live Facebook chat, and that made me sign up for a Facebook account.
Great
Thank you, Michael.
Oh, and take note, he wrote this at 2:59 a.m. Aba, isa pa namang nagpupuyat si Michael for Facebook. Philip Hoya Campana wrote, "Hi, my wife and I always follow your wonderful program since the start. We notice how innovative and creative 10 handles the news. It's so good that we have to wait for it before we get to sleep. Really, I have to watch it at least up to the top 3, then I can snooze." Hintayin mo na hanggang 1.
Yeah.
You have successfully planned your program to serve only the 10 most important news.
All right. Is it my turn?
Yep.
Alvin Rex Lucero. Greetings from Zamboanga. 10 is now very popular in Zamboanga, most especially in Western Mindanao State University. This is the news program that we are waiting for that will provide us credible information, and we need some new ink on our printer because I can't read it. An independent entity. We need people like you in this society that are pro people and not just serving the interests of the few elite. More power to your show. I hope someday you can feature our beloved city in your show. Why not?
Well, since patapos na natin basahin yung mga old posts na nakuha natin ng past few days, mabuti pa ay simulan naman natin basahin ng mga bagong dating. Actually, ngayon pa lang, Sheriff Martin, may kachat na tayong dalawa, no? Si Roberto Amoyon at si Gerald Sarmiento. Si Roberto Moyan kanina, nakikinig siya o napanood niya yung ating report, yung report kanina tungkol kay Noli De Castro. So, excited daw siya for 2010 at tinatanong na nga niya kung sino daw ang dapat or okay na iboto para sa dating na eleksyon. So, ang mapapayo lang natin kay Roberto, basta kailangan lagi lang siyang inform para malaman niya kung sino ba talaga nararapat at sino ang dapat niyang iboto para sa 2010. Hindi natin pwede sabihin kung sino mga bet natin eh. Dapat may personal decision.
Sabihin ko.
Sino, Mark?
Si Elpidio Quirino.
Anyway, Martin, punta naman tayo kay Gerald Sorbeto. Si Gerald kanina, pinuri naman niya yung picture ni Amelin, yung 10 peso meal. At sabi niya, susubukan daw niyang lutuin ito bukas ng umaga.
Aba, yung sinigang na sardines.
Sinigang na sardines. So ngayon, basa tayo ng ilan sa mga nag-post kanila. 11:15, si Trisha Marie Dator, sabi niya, you rock. Martin, you rock daw.
Yeah.
Si Dino Morata Jr., sabi niya, ang galing at ang ganda lagi ng topic sa sidetrack. Wow.
You know, they can ask
Thank
some
you,
questions
thank you.
about our topics, and if they can give us health questions as well, so we can discuss it every Wednesday. Because every Wednesday meron tayong health segment.
Tama yan, Martin, kasi si Seymour Barros Sanchez nag-iwan ng message kanina. Nag-iwan
Make
rin siya
sure you
dati.
don't forget
At
Seymour
ngayon, di
this
natin
week.
siya kakalimutan basahin. Sinabi niya, may job postings at health segment na rin sa The Evening News. Baka kapusin na kayo sa oras. Kaya sana daw habaan ng sked ng 10.
Okay, just
Ipaparating namin sa aming mga boss yan.
and just a fast one. Ariel Crisostomo of Southridge says hi to Jovi, and we are saying hi to you. Pinapanood ka niya, Jovi.
Thank you for
Hi.
always watching us. And Delia Gonzalez of Studio 546 in Shangri-La. She doesn't have a Facebook account, pero lagi siya, araw-araw siya nanonood ng The Evening
Time to
News.
catch up.
Okay, kulang na yung oras. Pero kung meron kayong importante bang sasabihin, mag-email lang kayo o mag-give kayo ng messages dito sa ating 10 Evening News group sa Facebook. I'm Jovi and I still cover politics. Just sidetracked by the things we see on the net. Thank you po.
Thank you, Jovi.
Thanks, Jovi.
Thank you.
Okay, and still to come, opinion ng Justice Department sa ruling